We care for you, and our role is to protect you. We will help you in the times of trouble. And we will not let your enemies go unpunished. When you need advice, our lines remain open 24/7. When you feel unsafe, we will be your safety. And only we have the lineup of the finest experts in India. Dr. Pankaj Gupta.
Apex is violently and vigilantly active in all the field around the country, and I feel personally, being attached to this company for the last 7 years, that there has been a steady and smooth growth of this company.
Dr. L.C. Gupta.
In this type of cases, Apex Insurance Consultant Limited can be helpful for the doctors and nursing homes.
Dr. Subodh Surur.
Needless to mention that any risk management programs run by qualified people who have both medical as well as legal inputs coming from experts from both these fields is something that we should associate with.
Dr. Mahesh Baldava.
As a medical legal person, I would strongly advise to go ahead and take a risk management cover with them.
Dr. Vinayak Matre.
Apex India is not only the medical legal expert team, but also in any eventuality where the legal advice is sought for, Apex India can come into picture to rescue and to guide the doctor in time.
Dr. Jayant Navrange.
Apex Insurance, which is one of the pioneer ones in this field, having its presence more than 12 years in this region of the country.
Dr. Subhash Behre.
To my mind, Apex is doing a wonderful work for last about 10 years in Pune regarding this medical legal problems and registering doctors. No doubt at the cost of reasonable service, price, but one must remember that doctor is taken away from his day-to-day work if he is not going through an agency to fight a case. But I wish that every doctor should go for registration with a institution like Apex.
Dr. Santosh Pote.
आज एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी अपेक्स जैसी कंपनी ने यहाँ पे दी है कि जिसके थ्रू आप अपना इंश्योरेंस वहाँ पे कर सकते हैं। उसमें पर्सनल इंडेमनिटी भी होती है या हॉस्पिटल इंडेमनिटी भी होती है। तो अपेक्स के बारे में आपको एक बात बताता हूँ, उनका जो नेटवर्क है बहुत ही बढ़िया है। मैंने 2-3 डॉक्टरों के केसेस पहले उनसे देखे हैं कि ये 2-3 मेरे दोस्त थे, उनका जब प्रॉब्लम आया तो उनको अर्लीस्ट उनसे अप्रोच करने के बाद उनको एक्सपर्ट का ओपिनियन मिला है कि कोर्ट में केसेस फाइल हुए हैं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छे तरीके से उनको हैंडल किया है। तो मेरी तो यही सलाह है, जो भी कुछ आपको किसी का इंश्योरेंस कंपनी का जब आपको इंश्योरेंस लेना है तो पहले अपेक्स के बारे में सोचिए।
डॉक्टर MC Gupta. They all are here to support you, encourage you, and help you keep going. We are Apex. We see opportunities, growth, solutions, and possibilities for you.